Okay, so let's look at how to create a new Token Pocket account specifically for Bitness, right? Go to Play Store or App Store and look for Token Pocket, TP, Token Pocket. Get it downloaded and installed and launch it. Upon launching, it brings you to this screen, and um, you as a new account creator, you select you have no account. If you are importing an existing account, you may want to go with this, but because you are entirely new, you are creating a new account, you will go with no accounts. Click on no accounts, and we are selecting, or we are setting up for a single network, right? We are setting up for, if you want to go by HD, you can create multiple networks for you, but that can be a little bit confusing for new members. So you scroll down and rather select specifically for BNB chain, because that is what we use for Bitness, right? Get it, click on BNB chain, proceed to click on create wallet, right? And then now, first thing you want to do here is to set your password. You want to set your password, and then repeat the password. Make it a bit simple but strong, a password you can remember. And of course, you can decide to change the wallet name to anything that suits you by tapping or clicking on your screen here to have it edited and change. After that, you proceed to create wallet. So since this is a dummy account that I am not going to use for anything, let me quickly fill in these details. Let's say, for instance, password, I need something. You make sure you repeat the same password by confirming it, and then after that, um, click to agree to the service agreement here and proceed. Okay, I'm coming. Um, okay, having done that, the next phase takes you to a very, very sensitive area, right? Where you have access to your security or the backup phrase. Now, that backup phrase is not meant to be shared with anyone. You take a piece of paper, you write it down, and make sure you store it safely. If you lose your phone, or if anything happens and you need to use another device to access your account, the only thing required, the only thing, identification code that requires, that proves that the account belongs to you, is the next thing that it's about to reveal to you. Make sure nobody have access to it. Don't you ever share it with anyone, because anyone who gets access to this combination of words can actually log into your account anywhere and then have access to your funds and transfer things out. So you may want to keep it privately and quietly and nicely saved. So you proceed to understood, and then in the next phase, it will ask you the backup recovery phrase, right? It tells you on the next step you will get the recovery phrase. Before, please read the following security tips. So make sure you read this tip. If you lose your recovery phrase, your assets will be gone, right? If you share it with others, your assets will be stolen, and if it is your responsibility to keep it safe. Once you agree to this, it takes you to the next phase, where it will reveal 12-letter security or backup phrases for you, right? You tap on the image to display the 12-letter words. So what you want to do is to make sure you write those words down, write them down, and ensure that nobody else can access it. It is properly stored, right? Write it down carefully. So after writing it down, proceed to click on completed backup to verify. Now during the verification, your task is to uh, arrange the security phrase in the order in which they appeared, one, two, three, in that same sequence. You arrange them. You need to prove that you've actually written them down, so you do this test. I am able to share this because it's a dummy account. I'm not going to use this account because it is already exposed to many viewers, so it's definitely an account I'm not going to use. Then you proceed to do the verification by tapping those words one after the other in accordance with how they appeared, right? So let me start with mine. For instance, each time you click on a word and it shows red, for instance, let me intentionally choose this. You see that it is wrong. It is wrong because this is not supposed to be the actual word for number two. So you go according to what you have there, right? If it is right, once you tap on it, it goes smoothly without any error. So you select all those words one after the other and ensure that you actually prove. This is the only way you can prove to the system that you have written it down or back it up successfully. So you select all these actual capital hope history and get. So once you are done, you click on confirm, and that automatically means your account is created. So this is how the account is created, and then you can now click on the account here, tap on this area, or you can even close it because it's already open here. You can now click on receive to get your wallet address, right? So you can now copy this address and find it and proceed to use this account for the registration on Bitness. I hope this video has made it simple for you. Thank you for watching.